Okay, so here we have our ExactApply nozzle body. I want to stress how important it is to keep these nozzle bodies clean. I have a bottle of erase right here that is what's recommended from John Deere to clean your boom out with daily, twice daily if possible. But these tools that I'm going to be using right now, they all come in this maintenance kit that if you bought a machine with that's equipped with ExactApply, this little box comes with it, and you got all these tools right here that helps you and to tear down one of these nozzle bodies. Here we go. I'm going to pull this clip out right here, slide it out, and see how easy that come out of there. We slide our coil off. That's our coil. Here's the electric part of it. Here's our connector right there. We can see all the grease that's in there to keep moisture out and to keep our contacts working like they're supposed to. Our next part here is our valve, which if you're using on a machine that's been used or a nozzle body that you just came off a machine, you need to be careful and wear some gloves because this will have chemical in it. But see how easy I work that out of there. So here's the valve. Here's where all the magic happens. We'll take this little tool comes in the kit right here. We can load our valve into it. Take this little T-handle here and unscrew that out of there. And here's where our valve seats and does everything that it needs to do. You can reseal all this piece with the O-ring kit that you can get from parts and have it back together in no time. But the reason that you would have to tear one of these apart is if they've started dribbling on you, if they're not seating like they used to, then you would have to go in here and clean them up. After putting the new O-rings on your valve seats, then just put it back on the little valve stem here and take your driver tool here, and this tool has the torque built into it where you cannot over tighten it. So whenever it starts to slip, it's as tight as it needs to be. After getting that put back on there, we can put it back in our nozzle body, slide that off, and slide our coil back on. Then we put our lock clip in, and she's back together. Same way with the other side. Okay, here we look at the bottom. Here's a close look at the LED light that shines on the bottom. You can turn all these LEDs on via the display, and if the light comes on, that means that this nozzle body is communicating on the CAN bus system and is functioning as it should. Okay, so that's all it takes to tear one of them down. Here's our electrical connector. Here's where the wires from the harness kicks in. If you have a problem with the subnet or you're getting warnings, it's a good idea to check this connector, be sure everything is seated good, and be sure we have no moisture inside that connector. But just wanted to tell you how simple and easy it is to tear one of these little valves apart. Thank you.